Do you want something a bit more upbeat?
Yeah, I was a bit.
That's some upbeat.
I was a bit full on. Oh, this will light a fire in Jeffrey's heart.
It would.
Hey, Jeff will love this one. We got this one for you, Jeff. I'm sure you love it. This is what Magic Carp turns into.
Yeah.
If you collect 500 Magic Carps.
Takes
If
a
you
bit.
play Pokemon Go and collect 400 Magic Carps, your Magic Carp turns into this. Is that right?
Something like that.
Yeah.
It's got a carpy sort of head.
Not sure. Doesn't look carp at all. It's an angry carp. Carp's not a good eating fish.
What? A bit muddy.
I've heard that.
Yeah.
They're quite a pest in our local estuaries and river systems. Carp?
Some people like eating carp.
I don't. I like Pokemon.
You like eating Pokemon.
This is this is Bandai Pokemon at its finest.
So let's just come in.
How good is it?
Pretty funky, isn't it? I like how they've done the clear stand.
How do you know it's clear? You're giving it
Look at
away.
Oh, what do you mean? Is that giving it
I
away?
think it's white.
Maybe it's white. It wouldn't be white.
I think it's white.
Let's have a look at it.
Let's go overhead. It's not sneaking in my car. No, okay. Oh, look at these colours. It really astounds me. See, no clear stand.
What do you mean?
It's white.
Oh, it is too.
It's white stand.
Oh, you're proving me wrong.
That's white stand that you can paint clear.
But how good is it how they give you all these colours so that you press it together and you can put it on display?
I've not
Vivid
done
colours
one.
too, isn't it?
I've not done one.
Maybe this time you did.
I think we should do a live challenge.
Live challenge.
Not now. I'm not in the right space of time frame.
What is this? Is it a dragon?
It's a carp. I told you at the opening.
It looks like a dragon.
It's a dragon carp.
Is it?
That's what it looks like when it's finished.
Oh, okay.
Looks angry. Hope he's brushed his teeth.
Where are his teeth?
In his mouth.
Where they should be.
Yeah, usually find them there. I love the colours.
Good, yeah?
That's enough crinkling. Really, really cool to see that from Bandai. Because we did have some Bandai stock come in.
That's a bit happier, isn't it?
That's a
Yeah.
lot happier. It's really brought the mood up in here.